Did you see up then? What? Right.
Yo, that is how you ride a motorbike right there. Right there, that and there. Look at that, look at that. That guy's sick now. For those who don't know who I am, look. Javon. In it. Yo, I'm putting a shot on B-boy for some guys on me.
Oh, give me your phone and I'll record it.
I don't got my phone on me. You wanna go?
What, on yours?
Yeah.
Just show me how to do gears.
No, I don't. I'll let you go. But we haven't got an helmet for you. Oops, my bad.
Saw that coming as well.
He's mad. I like to 50 records it.
I knew he was going to do a wheel spin as well.
What?
So I knew he was going to do a wheel spin as well. What?
No, George, I'm going to read it. Why is it moving now? What's that? You know what he's trying to do?
What?
Get in there. Look, where's you from the coin?